Go ahead, jump through the roof. I hope y'all watching this. Y'all see that, right? Now I'm gonna sneak up on that cat and surprise the hell out of him. Let's do it. Let's go sneak up on him. I'm gonna catch him in the act. Okay, Atlas, you're busted. Busted. You busted. Yeah, you're busted. Somebody's busted. Somebody's busted. Now I know where all that cat hair come from in my truck. You're busted. What you got to say for yourself? That's it? So you think rolling around is going to make it cool? Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. You were busted, Atlas. Anyway, people, that's just a quick update because I noticed there was a bunch of cat hair in my truck. So I left the windows open this morning and see, I'm going to watch and see what happens. And now I know. Atlas did it. Yeah, you did.